Today we will discuss about refraction of light. First, refraction. Suppose there are two transparent media. This is medium 1, medium 2, this is medium 1. Both are different transparent media, and this is called interface. Interface means boundary of media. Now if a light ray strikes obliquely to the surface, oblique means तिरछा, 90 डिग्री पर नहीं होना चाहिए, तिरछा अगर ऑब्लिक इस पर इंसिडेंट होता है तो जब ये इस मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जाता है तो जो इसका पाथ है, इट्स पाथ विल बेंड एट द इंटरफेस, मीन्स लाइट रेस इंटरफेस पर बेंड हो जाती हैं, या तो टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल बेंड होंगी या अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल बेंड हो जाएंगी. जैसे ये टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल है, ऐसे ही ऐसा भी हो सकता है. ये मीडियम 2, मीडियम 1 नॉर्मल लाइट रे, इंसिडेंट लाइट रे, एंड ये इसका पाथ होना चाहिए था. दिस इज द पाथ ऑफ लाइट रे बट इट बेंड्स अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल. These two cases are possible when light rays transfer from one medium to another medium. This phenomena is called refraction. So, bending of light rays. Light rays when it passes from one medium, one transparent medium to other different transparent medium. Medium is called refraction of light. This is the definition of refraction of light. Cause of refraction. Why refraction happens? The cause is, number 1, speed of light is different for different media. अलग अलग मीडियम के लिए लाइट का स्पीड अलग अलग होता है. Second, light covers the path of least time to travel one point to another. These are two causes why refraction happens or why bending of light happens. Snell's law. This is incident ray, refracted ray, angle of incidence. and this is called angle of refraction. And Snell says that the first sine of the angle ratio of sine of the incident angle and refracted angle is constant for given wavelength of light and for given pair of media. It means when we choose a light of a particular color, particular wavelength, for that wavelength and also we choose two given media, so for that particular wavelength and for these given two media, the ratio of sin I by sin R will be always constant. Means when we change the angle I1 to I2, this angle also changes R1 to R2, but ratio sin I1 by sin R1 will be constant. Now this ratio is called refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. So sin I by sin R is written as 1 and 2 or N12. This is assumed नोटेशन है, ये assumed नोटेशन है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है हमेशा कहीं भी लिखा है 1 and 2 तो फर्स्ट के रिस्पेक्ट में ही सेकंड का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स होगा. ये हम लोग एज्यूम करते हैं. वी एज्यूम इट एज 1 and 2 इज रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम 2 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मीडियम 1, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम 2 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मीडियम 1, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू v1 by v2. velocity of speed of velocity of light in medium 1 by velocity of light in medium 2, that is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2, that is wavelength of light in medium 1 by wavelength of light in medium 2. Always remember that frequency of light does not change. Frequency does not change. Now we see laws of refraction. First is Snell's law, as we have studied earlier, Snell's law. Second, incident ray, refracted ray, and normal. At the point of incidence, lie in the same plane, in the same plane. So guys, students, laws of refraction consist of Snell's law, and this is coplanarity of incident rays, refracted rays and normal at the point of incidence. There are two type of refractive indices: index singular, indices plural. First, relative refractive index. Let's suppose this is medium 2 and medium 1. I R sin I by sin R equal to V1 by V2, speed of light in medium 1 and by speed of light in medium 2 is called relative refractive index. Generally, refractive index of second medium with respect to first. This is relative refractive index. Second one is absolute refractive index. Or only refractive index. When we say refractive index, that means absolute refractive index. This is for this if medium 1 is air or vacuum. If medium 1 is air or vacuum, then refractive index of medium 2 is called absolute refractive index or refractive index. That is, refractive index equal to speed of light in vacuum light in air or vacuum. In both medium, the velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. C, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. In air, it is slightly less than 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, but we take it as a speed of light in vacuum or air. Both are same. We take it speed of light in air or vacuum by speed of light in medium डाउन साइड में जो मीडियम होगा उस मीडियम को हम कहेंगे इन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम, दैट इज इक्वल टू साइन आई बाई साइन आर. ये सही आया है.